I'm Tom Booton and this is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. My style is all about really getting beautiful ingredients, simply cooked with a lot of love and respect, and making people happy. Hospitality workers, we all do it because we like to put a smile on people's faces, and once you first experience that, you fall in love with it forever. My most favourite cuisine is Indian food. On my days off, me and my girlfriend always get a takeaway. I think as a British person, we all love curry. So I'm Tom Booton, I'm the head chef at the Grill at the Dorchester, and today we're going to do a beautiful Sagaloo crusted cod with a curry sauce, almonds, raisins and lime. It's a very new dish for us here at the restaurant, but just the flavour profile is what I love. I love Indian cuisine. I think it is, I know it's Indian, but it's quintessentially British as well. So yeah, it's going down a storm so far. So first up, it's a very simple, clean dish. On the base of it, we've got a beautiful fresh kind of salad, which you need against the fish. So you've got pickled raisins, some fresh apple, fresh lime, and loads of coriander and almonds on the inside for the texture. That salad just goes into the bowl. Be really generous on the coriander and the fresh lime. I love using fresh citrus, especially limes and lemons. As you can see, there's quite a few segments in here, so when you eat it, you just get a pop of flavour. Okay, around that, we're just going to have the beautiful curry sauce. So it's a cauliflower curry sauce. So what we do is we chop cauliflower until it's very fine. We roast it in a pan so to get a little bit of colour on top. We then add apples, some of the pickled raisins. We deglaze that with a bit of wine, which I know is not traditional. And then we add the mussel stock from the mussels into it. Cook it out with loads of spices, curry powder, garam masala, coriander and cumin. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm not trying to test the customers at all. I'm just trying to give them flavour profiles which they can relate to. So on top of that, we've just made a really intense coriander oil. So that's just coriander and oil, which we blitz to 75 degrees if you want to do it at home. So basically it splits, the chlorophyll splits, and you get this pure, intense coriander oil. So on top of this as well, we've just got the mussels. So when we cook the mussels, we save the stock and then we put that into the sauce. So again, it's about using everything. It's about not wasting any ingredients and maximising flavour as much as you can. When you cook the mussels, take them out of the shell, use the stock to put into your sauce. It's about working organised. So the mussels and the fish all come from Cornwall. So they come from day boats, from Flying Fish. So I have a great relationship with the boys and girls down there. I've been using them for many years in most restaurants I've worked in. And yeah, they hand pick out the best fish they can for us. So on top of that, we've got the beautiful cod. So the Cornish cod came in this morning. I brine the fillets in a 10% brine for 20 minutes. We cook in the oven just to get that roasted flavour into it. And then on top of that, we've made a Sagaloo crust. So it's a bit of a play on a take of the traditional Sagaloo. So you've got potato, garam masala, curry powder, spinach, and a little bit of cheese in there just to hold it together. So it's like a traditional green crumb, which you would see on your racks of lamb in the old school kind of places, but I just wanted to have a little play with it. So the crust just on top to finish it under the grill just gives the fish just another little texture as well. So there we go, we have roasted cod with a Sagaloo crust, raisins, almonds, and a cauliflower curry sauce.